Say something to your big sister.
Say something. This is Esme's whole head, and there's her Cheerios, her messy Cheerios, and her eye. It has a very big eye. Oh, she wants the phone. Let's get away from her. Here's Mommy.
Good morning.
Good morning. Say good morning.
I did. You say good morning.
Okay. This is me, and...
What about Hannah?
Oh, and Hannah. She's under the table minding her business. Now, goodbye. Now I want to watch the video.